Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited. We are going to be talking about Alo and Athleta. Both athletic wear brands for women, both amazing products. We're going to kind of I bought a bunch of stuff from Alo, I bought a bunch of stuff from Athleta, and we're going to kind of compare the two and see which one's fit needs better. Some people are going to like Athleta better. Some people are going to like Alo better. I'm just here to kind of tell you what I've learned and what I've found and my personal opinion. So Alo stands for Air, Land, Ocean, and it was founded in 2007. It's all about wellness for the planet. All of their things, let's see, they're made in sweatshop free. They're ethically sourced. Their headquarters is run on solar power, so they're very mindful of and respectful of the planet. That's kind of Alo's message. Athleta is part of the Gap. Let's see, what is it? There's Banana Republic, Gap, Old Navy, Athleta. I believe are the four in the group with Athleta. And Athleta is power of the she. So Athleta stands basically for empowering women and young girls with confidence and well-being through movement. So they're both very good messages. They both are really looking out to create a good message, a good positive message for women and the planet. That being said, let's jump into some of the products that I got. Starting with this fleece. It was on sale, I believe. It took a little bit to get here. I did get a size small, and I will show you some other footage of it, but I was chilly, so I thought I'd put this on. It's super cozy. It's a nice, fleecy material, and I really like the cuffs on here. But I'll show you it styled with some other things here in a second. I bought a bunch of stuff from Alo in this mushroom color. These are the shorts. These are the match point tennis shorts, and I got a size extra small. They're super cute. I'll leave them styled over here. They do have a little panty underneath the shorts, but they are very flowy and nice for the summertime. I like the detail here where it's got this little flip. There's the Alo logo for you. And I did get a size extra small. It does have a zip here to put a key or something like that, your key fob. I don't think it'll fit a phone in that pocket, but you can put a key fob in there if you're going out for a run or something like that. These were, the price is not on here. I bought all this stuff online, and all of this stuff will be linked down below in the description box along with my sizing. I paired the shorts with this Airlift tank. It's a bra tank. It's super comfortable. Alo's tanks, or bras, I should say, always wear really nice. They're the perfect length. So I bought a bunch of stuff from Alo in that mushroom color, but I brought this graphite color in the Alo leggings because I've worn the mushroom pants already. I'll leave them shown over here. They are awesome. I love Alo leggings, so I had this graphite color, but I wanted to bring these to show you the difference with the Athleta leggings. So here are the Alo leggings. It has a double band here, a double lined band here. And these are the 7/8 length. The Alo leggings in the Airlift brand, which are my favorite. These leggings are the Airlift leggings, and they are 82% polyester and 18% elastane. They're very stretchy. I will tell you, in these leggings, I do get an extra small, but only in the Alo, because the difference is in Athleta, I got an extra small, and these don't give as much as the Alo ones. If you can see the difference in the stretchiness, these kind of are a lot stretchier. These are the Alo. These are the Athleta. They just don't give as much. I got an extra small, and these are too tight for me. Now these are the Athleta, they have the tag in them still. These are 77% polyester, 23% spandex. So that's the difference in how they're made. This does have a nice, the Alo Airlift does have a nice sheen to it. The Athleta ones are not as shiny, but the pro on the Athleta ones is it does have nice pockets. Now, I will leave you some footage of me trying these on. You can tell I feel like sausage in a casing in these leggings. I'm going to take these back and get an extra, or get a small, because I feel that these would fit better. I do personally prefer the Alo compression better. Back in the day, I'd say probably 2018, when I was super into yoga and I went to get my yoga teacher training. I went to Nicaragua for like 25 days and got my yoga teacher training over there. Best experience of my life. If you ever have the opportunity and that's something you want to do, send me a message, leave me a comment down below. I'll tell you all about how I went. But I bought a bunch of Athleta stuff, and that's back when colors were the thing. So there was flowers, and there was cracked glass looking ones, and there was the kind of the printed leggings were all the rage back then, with all the different kinds of prints. Now, me, fast forward to 2025, I'm into solids. So I got rid of all my Athleta leggings that had all the prints on them, and I had not bought a pair of Athleta leggings in a long time. And as much as I do like these, and I think they will serve your purpose, for me, I prefer the Alo and the leggings. The leggings to me are the biggest difference in basically Alo and Athleta as far as performance for me. But the rest of their stuff, the shirts, all that kind of stuff are different, but good. Like, these are all Athleta shirts. This is the signature rib tank. I did get a size small, and I really like this. It's got nice armholes. It does have the racer back in the back. The problem with this tank is you would have to wear, I wouldn't wear this tank to work out. This is more like an athleisure. I'm gonna put on a t-shirt bra or something like that, or maybe some covers to wear this. I'm not gonna work out in this because I would have to wear a workout bra underneath it. This is just kind of wear with trousers, and super nice, very well made. It is 84% modal, and I believe the rest is elastane. So super well made. I love the ribbing here. It is, like I say, a racer back. Definitely a keeper. I got a size small in this. I also got a t-shirt. Very similar fabrics. It does have the ribbing here that you can see. I love the sleeves on this, super nice. It is a little bit cropped, so you can see here. I did get a size medium in this, and this was $55 for the signature rib cropped tee. And this is made basically the same. It feels very much the same as that tank top, and it's made with the same material as the tank top, just in a t-shirt. I did get, the last thing I got from Athleta was this tracksuit. I was in love with these pants. The whole set is just super cute. I'll leave it out here for you below. You can see that I got a size small. These were $119. It's a really nice material. I love the stripe down the side. It's a wide leg here. But you can see as I was trying it on, I do need a size down to a size extra small. So the sizing is kind of all over the place with Athleta. Like, I don't wear an extra small in the leggings, but I would wear an extra small in the tracksuit pants. Just pay attention to sizing. Go in store and try it on if you have one close by. I did get a size small in the jacket. It fits perfectly. I love it. So this is definitely a keeper too. On to the Alo stuff. They have this new color I told you about earlier called Mushroom. It is so cute. It's like a mauve-y pink, which normally I don't usually kind of gravitate to. As you can see, everything I bought from Athleta was black. So yeah, pink is kind of outside of my comfort zone a little bit, but my son did ask me what my favorite color was the other day, and I said black first, and then I said, well, if I had to pick a color, it would be pink. So there you go. But I love their Accolade stuff at Alo. It's so comfy, it's so cozy. I have bought, if you look back in some of my videos, I bought their Cherry Cola, the whole line of that color. Everything is just wonderful. I still have it all, socks included. This is the sweatshirt. I do love this color. I love the material. It has the aloe in the silver here. If I had my druthers, this would be embroidered in the same color as the sweatshirt, but be that as it may. I did get a size small. You can see here, I styled it with the leggings, and I want it to be a little bit longer, so I am gonna size up in the sweatshirt to a size medium because I just love the slouchy, oversized look. And I did get also the sweatpants that go with it. These are the Accolade straight leg sweatpant. I did get this in a size extra small and they fit perfectly. Even maybe I could use a size smaller in this if you wanted them to be a little bit tighter fit, but I do love the loose fit of these. They do have nice pockets. It is a straight leg. I can wear these with flip-flops or sneakers or whatever, but I love this outfit. I am really liking this color. Again, with the aloe and the silver, it's not a deal breaker for me. Would I prefer it to be embroidered in the same color as the sweatpant? Yes. Is that gonna make me not keep it? No. I'm gonna keep these and wear them often because they are just that cozy. Talking about cozy, this shrug is everything. I am obsessed with this little shrug. Now, normally, I don't go for shrugs like this. I want like a big baggy sweatshirt. I want a big baggy jacket like the Athleta Fleece. Like normally that's what I go for. But when I tell you, I had this on the counter the other day when I came down for a coffee, and I had a tank top on that I slept in, and I just threw this on because I was a little bit chilly, and it was perfect. It's so cozy. It's a dream. They're all one size. They're one size fits all. It is like a little bolero jacket. Here, let me put it on. Well, first I want to tell you what it's made of. This is called the Snuggle Up Sweater Shawl, and I just looked it up, and it is made of 99% nylon, 1% elastane, which is so odd. It's really so soft. And it does have a nice cuff here, so it makes the sleeves just balloon so nicely. So I did get this mushroom color, and I also got it in cream to try and decide which one I wanted to keep. Oh, I'm so tempted to keep both of them, although I don't need both of them. So tell me in the comments down below which color shawl you would keep, the mushroom one that matches all the rest of my aloe stuff, or this really sweet cream colored one. I think this would go with more things. I might get more use out of this white one, but I just love this to go with all the rest of my stuff. I'm torn. Help me. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which color, mushroom or cream. What's really cool about Alo too is when you shop there, and I don't know, I think it's if you spend over like $150, maybe $200 or something like that, they send you this big shopper tote for free. And it's awesome. It makes a great gym bag. When I went and bought all my Cherry Cola stuff from Alo, I got one of these bags and I gave it to my son's girlfriend, and I see her carrying it all the time. So this is such a great, you can throw groceries in here if you go to the farmer's market, if you go just to your regular grocery store, but it's so versatile. It's like a canvas. It does have the Alo emblem on it. It has no pockets or anything. It's just, you can see my receipts in the bottom. It's just a big old bag, just a big old carry-all, and it's awesome that they throw this in for you for free. So that will do it for my Alo Athleta haul. Leave a comment down below on one, if you think I should keep the cream or the mushroom color little bolero shawl, and two, what's your favorite athletic brand? Is it Alo? Is it Athleta? Is it Lululemon? If you've enjoyed this content, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel out a lot, and I'll see you next time.